Hi, Suzanne from Flatwearable Artisan Jewelry, and I'm very proud to introduce our newest Flatwearable Bender 3D, and this is our new model V2. We've made a couple of nice improvements, and I would like to show you what we have done differently to improve work for you. So, as always, we're including a base plate. This goes onto your arbor press, gives you a nice firm work surface. We are still including the wood storage tray. There are extra areas in here if you would like to add tools that you already own, or if you purchase additional things in the future, there are additional slots in there for those as well. So one of the brand new items that we have is a 4-channel high-density nylon forming block. This is a very durable material. This is where you're going to make your smallest bends, things like pendant bales, rings, anything that is on the smaller side. So we've included the mini pin channel in here along with 3 different size channels there. You can bend so many different ring sizes with this and either reduce or eliminate the need to do additional sizing on a steel mandrel. And with that, you're going to need steel pins. So we have the largest pin, which also doubles as the holder for all of the rollers. We give you 3 different sizes of rollers. And then we go down in size with pins. And this is where you can go down in size with making rings. We give you those 4 sizes. We also give you a square pin, that's for making bends that on an angle, and we also give you our ever popular mini pin, and that is for making the smallest bends, things like pinky rings, toe rings, very small pendant bales, anything where you need the smallest bend. We're going to give you the double channel roller forming block. We're also giving you a rubber block. This is for when you want to make very soft curves, where you don't really need a full bend, you just need a gentle curve. We give you that as well. And of course, we're giving you the ram bar. This replaces the bar that comes in the 1-ton arbor press, which you provide. This is what holds all of the steel pins. And it has a set screw here to keep the pins from backing out while you're working. And that brings me to the next advancement, and that is the metal stamping. You do not have to screw the metal stamps into the opposite end when you are doing any metal stamping. That is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of frustration. What we've done is we have put magnets into the metal stamp holders. With these 4 sizes, they do the work of the 8 sizes that we previously had. What we do with this, we no longer have to screw this in. We just snap it on. Pop your metal stamp in, and then you can do your stamping. What's really nice about this is you can slide it where you can put it right in the middle of the bar. Going to get your best impressions when you're forcing all of the force down through the center of the bar. So it's nice that you can move this back and forth so you can get really nice, good, deep impressions. When you want to change out, you need to stamp something smaller. All you have to do is pull the one off, slide the new one on, and there it is, ready for you to stamp. So that's a wonderful new advancement with the metal stamp holders. And I always say the best stamping is done on a steel block. We give you the steel block as well. Stamps are not included. You can also put in things like rivet setters, stud setters, snap setters, things that also you want to press. You can put them into those stamping attachments as well. The cost of this kit is $425. And considering everything that you can do with this kit, it really is a fantastic deal. There's over $600 worth of tools in this brand new 3D.V2 kit. And if you would like to place an order, you can do that on our website at www.flatwearable.net.